everyone, today I want to show you my funny cat pendants. Funny cat because they look like cartoon characters. I hope you can see this. It's a bit tricky because they're varnished, and that means the light reflects on the varnish. I've got two lights here to make sure the video is not too dark. These are made with translucent polymer clay and alcohol inks in aquamarine and purple, and I really like using these inks with translucent because of the effect you get when you hold it against the light, because then you can really see the details of the cat. I'd like to show you my texture sheet I used for this. It's got loads of little cats. Some wear hats, some wear ties. They're quite cute and quirky. And I have to say it was really difficult to roll out the sheet on this mat because when I used the pasta machine it came out distorted, so it took me several attempts until I was happy with the result. So these pendants are available under the category Funny Cats, and they are available for £22. And they're the last two I have. I can show you now how the Buna cord works. Buna is a type of rubber, and this has a very nifty closure. What you do is you press both ends and then you pull to open, and then you press them together to close. There you have it. These are my funny cat pendants, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye!